that's the winter setup. Normally I don't care about the jerry can, but during the winter, yeah, I put my 2 jerry can. It's 20 liters each, just in case. Never know. Here. And I put the 4 ActionTrax and the shovel. The shovel, I just modified the shovel. It was a 48 inch, and that's too long, so I cut and I rebuilt the handle. 44 inch. That's the size of the ActionTrax, so fit perfectly. And 2 jerry can, it just in case I was stuck somewhere, it's cold, I need gas, or for someone helps, or for someone maybe gonna be helpful anyway. And I'm on the road a lot of time, highway, backcountry road, winter or summer. But the winter is with the coldest day, it's more safe to have more gas than less, so I put the 2. And with this is really fun. I love this setup with the bed slider. No problem for takeoff, put on and off in this. Really great. So that's my winter setup in the bed truck of my Tacoma off-road 2020 or 2019. I think it's 2019. Sorry, 2019. That's it. See you.